Hello gorgeous people, welcome again to Wendy Styles. How are you guys doing? I know it's been some time, but I'm here like I never left, and I want you guys to please check out this beautiful short hairstyles for black women. But first of all, I just want to thank every one of you, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. We are 101,000 subscribers. Wow, I'm just so grateful. I'm just so happy. And I want to say a big thank you, because without you guys, we're not going to reach up to 101. So I really appreciate you. Just really very soon, I may do a shout out video to every one of you. At least I will do a nice video to really appreciate you guys for this 101 milestone. I really say, may God bless you guys and grant you all your heart desires. In my previous video, I was talking about, I talked about the two beautiful haircuts for matured women. I talked about the pixies, and about so today I want to talk about the big tapered haircut. The tapered haircut, just as I compared with yesterday's with the other previous video that I talked about, pixies are a bit longer on the top compared to the tapered. Tapered is a bit similar to the pixies, because tapered haircuts are cut shorter by the sides, shorter at the back, and in the middle, is a bit longer, but you can't compare the length to the pixies, So tapered is a style for me. That's my favorite style, because I have this bold face and my face is oval. So this tapered is my kind of style, and sometimes I go also for the pixies, but most of the time I prefer to use the tapered because it really suits my face. So tapered haircut is a style for every woman. Whether you are 30 and above, is a style for you. It will take many years of your age, and it's a kind of simple style that's easy to style once you have the right products. Because I don't encourage relaxing of hair, really using those chemicals, because sometimes they cause some hair discolorations, they cause some hair damages and destroys your health. So I don't advise anyone to use those chemicals. I prefer to just use the normal texturizers and the coconut oils, which sometimes I can even advise you can use the argan oil, because that is what is best for your hair and will really make your hair look so healthy. So tapered haircut is a style that will boost your confidence. It's a style for the fashionistas. You can imagine yourself working a tapered haircut and you're looking so good in your blazers. You will definitely come out looking so beautiful. And that kind of style, when you walk so gorgeously, eyes really tend to really stare not just on your hair but on your dresses. So tapered haircut is a style for beautiful matured women. Another style for beautiful matured women is the teeny weeny afro. The teeny weeny afro is just a style that don't need cutting the two sides shorter. It's just a style that is equal length. It can be a bit medium, it can be a bit shorter, you understand. So it's just a simple haircut for women that don't want to spend much time in front of the mirror. It's a style that is sexy, a style that is versatile. Versatile in the sense that you style it any way you want. You can style it in different ways. You can go for the side part, you can go for the middle part or slant part, depending on the part or pattern you want, So this beautiful teeny weeny afro is a style for every matured woman, because definitely it will also take many years of your age. That is one beautiful thing about short haircut, because they take many years of your age, and it's an ideal haircut for every black woman that really wants to look so beautiful and confident. So guys, if it's the first time here, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. You can let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers. I want to appreciate my new subscribers. Stay up to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours.
Many girls is where they want it, and baby boy, you know your heart I have it. Even when I beg to be my obi. Shakata yakata love rulaka. So baby, I'm begging, please. So me say Jawa, Jawa, look into my eyes, oh baby, Jawa, will you be my baby, baby, Jawa, baby, oh yeah, Jawa, Jawa, look into my eyes, oh baby, Jawa, will you be my baby, baby, Jawa, baby, Jawa, Jawa, my baby, Jawa, Jawa, my baby, Jawa.
That's cool on the beat.
Nima, Nima, Nima.
That's cool on the beat.
Baby, no, they do me conny, because I wanna be your one and only. Crowded room, but still I'm lonely. So one last time, just say you're sorry. Many girls is where they want it, and baby boy, you know your heart I have it. Even when I beg to be my obi. Shakata yakata love rulaka. So baby, I'm begging, please. So me say Jawa, Jawa, look into my eyes, oh baby, Jawa, will you be my baby, baby, Jawa, baby, oh yeah, Jawa, Jawa, look into my eyes, oh baby, Jawa, will you be my baby, baby, Jawa, baby, Jawa, Jawa, my baby, Jawa, Jawa, my baby, Jawa, Jawa.
That's cool on the beat.
Nima, Nima, Nima.
That's cool on the beat.
Baby, no, they do me conny, because I wanna be your one and only. Crowded room, but still I'm lonely. So one last time, just say you're sorry. Many girls is where they want it, and baby boy, you know your heart I have it. Even when I beg to be my obi. Shakata yakata love rulaka.